Hi friends, today I am before you with a new topic: Koha Library Customization. It's the first video, how to add new library to Koha, showing you how to add new library to Koha Library System. Get logged into Staff Client and follow me. Go to the option Koha Administration. Click on Libraries. Here shows all the libraries you have created on Koha. Click on New Library. Add library code and the name of your library. Address and other details could be added here though are not mandatory. Feed. Now, here I am skipping all these. Click on Submit button. Okay. Our library is ready. Now we have to add item type for our books. Follow me on my next video. Thanks for watching me. Never forget to subscribe me. You may contact me on the mail shown in the video for any doubts and clarifications.